Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola if you're new, and if you're an OG, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking down my mini braids. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take down my mini braids. And I've actually had these in for about a month now, and I honestly cannot believe that I was able to keep them in for up to a month, because I typically stop at leaving my styles in for a long time. Now, if you have not seen my mini braids video, you need to just stop right here. Okay, I'm going to link it up in the card somewhere, so definitely click it and go see how I actually do mini braids in the first place, and then you can come back and watch how I take it down. This has been one of my favorite styles ever. I was able to do so many cute styles with this. I just put my hands out of my hair for a whole month, and to me the style still looks kind of cute. Like, I don't know, I feel like styles look cute as the older they get, and if I wanted I could still like just redo the front section and still continue to rock with this, but I've started to play too much in my hair. That's kind of how I do that. I'm ready to take them out, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I take them out today. A lot of people said, oh, the takedown was going to be horrible. To be very honest, I was very scared of the takedown as well, because I was like, oh my god, am I really going to be able to take this down? Like, it's going to take me ages. But I started yesterday evening while I was watching a show, and I just found myself like taking it down. It wasn't really like taking me a lot of time. I'm definitely going to be giving you guys tips and tricks along the way on how I like take it down, and the easiest methods to use to like take it down without losing a lot of hair. And I want to quickly show you guys some of the things that I've been using to care for my hair. A lot of people have asked me how I maintain this style, and I honestly do not do much. Every other day I was spritzing my hair with some form of water or a hair mist spray. So these are two of my faves. This one is from Organico by Christine, and this is what it looks like. I hope it will focus. So this is what this one looks like. It's from Organico by Christine. And then the second one is the Shiny Organics Moisture King Daily Hair Juice, and it's also a hair mist, and it has lavender and mint. So these are the two mists that I've been using on my hair along with my water. Like I said, I do this every other day. Then the only other thing I was doing to my hair was adding some oil. Just using this oil to moisturize my scalp. I would like massage it on my scalp and like give myself a scalp massage like every other day, as well as focus it on my ends as well, because those are like the oldest parts of your hair. I'll show you guys an up close of like what my roots look like. I have so much new growth, you guys. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, you can barely see my scalp. I'm going to start taking down the ones at the back. One thing I've noticed is that the ends of your hair tend to be the hardest part to take off. So what I like to do is just spray the strand of hair with a little water, not too much. Like, you don't want it to like become completely damp, but what the water will do is it will just create like some amount of slip. I don't know, but it just makes it so much easier for you to be able to like take down the hair. And I also have not been using like any combs or anything. I've just been using my fingers to like take it down as carefully as possible, because this is a protective style, and I feel like if you call something a protective style, you want to make sure that it's protective till the end. So you also want to make sure that your takedown is as protective as possible, if you get what I mean. You don't want to ruin like all the bits of keeping the hair in by just like taking it down in the roughest way possible. So this is like the amount of hair I lost from that one section. Perfectly normal for you to have like shed hair during the process. Don't forget that your hair is supposed to shed every single day. Sometimes I feel like people kind of go a little crazy when they see their hair shed. I'm one of those people, so I understand how it feels like to see your hair come off. But you just have to understand that hair is supposed to shed every day, and like when you put your hair in a protective style, it doesn't get to do that shedding. So whenever you're taking your hair down, it's normal to get some shed hair, because that's like all the hair that was supposed to have been shedding like over the past 4 weeks. So some shed hair is okay, like that's definitely expected. Every time you take down protective styles, you always get some shed hair. This style gets frizzy very, very quickly. Like mine started getting frizzy from like the third day, and I was just like, wait, hold up. It gets frizzy very, very quick. So you want to definitely wear like one hair when you see. That will definitely help, because the more your hair like rubs on other surfaces, that friction is just going to make it even more frizzy. So you definitely want to make sure your hair is like tied down if you're not going anywhere. And if you don't have anything to do with this, you don't have to wear it out, you know, like just moisturize it, and you can just put it back in a bun or something, or in a ponytail, and just put put it under your bonnet. Every time I was going out, I mostly just put it like in a little ponytail. One of my favorite styles was like a ponytail with like a few strands of hair just falling in front. If you guys haven't seen how I style my mini braids, I'll leave that linked down below as well as up in the card. So you can definitely go check that out if you have people style that you can do in your hair. So I'm almost done with my hair. Like, this actually doesn't take too long, you guys. Like, I honestly am enjoying the takedown more than installing it. Like, installing it took a long time, and the fact that I was trying to get the parts like really neat. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen the video, then you definitely need to go and watch it. But like, I tried to get my parts like really neat. So that was something that really like contributed to how long my hair took me. I wasn't just like picking random strands of hair and like braiding it, you know. And right now that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm just picking random strands of hair and I'm loosening them, and it's just so much easier. And once you get over the ends, like I said, it's so easy. Like, you can literally just use one finger to continue taking everything out. And my hair is clean, by the way, you guys. I actually washed my hair like about a week ago. Typically what I do is I wash my hair like every 2 weeks. But like by the second week of having this in, I was like, my hair doesn't feel dirty, my scalp doesn't feel itchy, my hair is not dry. I had been moisturizing my hair pretty well. My hair was not dry at all. So after the 3rd week, I was just like, okay, I can't take this anymore. I have to just wash my hair now. So I washed my hair about a week ago. So my hair is kind of plain, and that's why I'm not just loosening the braids and letting them go. I'm putting them back into twists because I don't want my hair to tangle up, and I don't want it to lose the length that it's gotten from being stretched. So I'm probably going to end up doing like some type of stretched style for the next like 1 week before it's time to wash my hair again. Also very important to have something to watch, you guys. Like, if you don't do this while watching something, you're honestly just going to be very frustrated. Like, my arms, my back, everything hurts. But like, just having something to watch kind of makes it easier, because that way you don't even realize that you're doing work. Like, it just feels like you're chilling and just like, you know, fumbling with your hair. And if you also have someone around you that can help you do this, then all hands on deck, because that will go by so much faster, trust me. It's honestly not that bad. Like, the takedown has not been as terrible as I thought it would be, or as terrible as a lot of people made it out to be. Like, so many people said, oh, you're going to lose a lot of hair, you're going to lose a lot of hair. I'm just looking at all my shed hair here, and it's not even a lot at all. Like, when I'm done, I'm going to show it to you guys. Maybe because I haven't fully like detangled my hair yet, just taking out the braids and putting them into twists, that might be it as well. But regardless, I don't think I would lose so much more hair, because this is probably where people lose the most hair. And I think the reason they do that is because they're not being careful enough. Like, you really just want to be careful, that's the truth. And that's the reason why I'm not using a comb, because I'm not trying to break my hair in any way at all. Like I said, we want to protect like the hair till the end. If it's a protective style, then every like aspect of the hair should be protective. Preparing your hair for it should be protective, you know. So preparing your hair for it should not have you like straightening it or anything. That's not protective. And then while the hair is in your head, it should be protective, and taking it down should be protective. So I'm just trying to be as careful as possible while I'm doing this. Finally done. Like, oh my god, this is pretty much the finished look. We weren't trying to achieve a look in the first place. I actually love how these twists turned out. I'm actually just going to leave my hair like this for like the next, I don't know, a week or so, until it's time to wash my hair. Or maybe I'm excited to style it, I don't know. But those mini braids were so convenient. I feel like I'm too scared to even leave my hair loose right now, because I just don't want to have to deal with detangling or shedding or anything. Like, I just want to give my hair some type of twist or braids like from now on, because it was just super duper convenient, and then you can still do so many hairstyles with it. So I think that's such a plus. Like, it almost made me want to lock my hair, and I was like, okay girl, you need to think twice. Do you really want to do this? If you get any tangles while you're doing this, just take your time with it. You just want to be really careful. I didn't lose a lot of hair at all. Like, some of the hair I lost has probably flown out, but this is like all of the hair that came out while I was taking my hair, so this is not much at all. I tried not to like roll it into a ball so it doesn't look too small, but this is all the shed hair that came out while I was moving my hair, and I don't think this is bad at all. Like, I don't think this is bad. I know when I go ahead and like detangle my hair and style it and wash it, I'm going to get a lot more shed hair, but like that's fine. It's not a big deal at all. If you're trying to retain length, I feel like this is a very good hairstyle that you can do. Just make sure you keep your hair really moisturized, and this is definitely the hairstyle that will help your hair grow and just help your hair flourish, okay? Because your hair is literally just going to be on its own, and if you know anything about hair growth, the best way to grow your hair is to just leave it alone. I'm glad that 4 weeks of mini braids is finally out of my hair, and a lot of you have been sending me your pictures on Instagram of you recreating this style, and I absolutely love to see that. So if you still go ahead and recreate my mini braids, then definitely tag me on Instagram or send me a picture. I love to interact with you guys, so I'll be happy to see that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then definitely please give this video a thumbs up. That really helps with the whole like YouTube algorithm. It helps to get my video like more out there for more people to see. And if you haven't subscribed, I'm honestly just wondering, like, why are you still watching the video? Like, you are still watching the video and you've not subscribed. Isn't this love? Like, you already love me, so please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Please definitely subscribe if you haven't. That helps as well. And if you have any questions or comments or any more like hairstyle suggestions or anything you'd like to learn or know about that you want me to make a video about, leave that in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to make a video for you guys. That's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.